Today, we're going to talk about unlearning prejudice, but probably in a way you've never thought about before.
So, what if we treated unlearning bias kind of like recovering from an addiction? A journey, not a destination. That's the big idea behind Dr. Shungu Magadzi's model, called Becoming Less and Less.
See, the whole point is progress, not perfection. It's all about making small, daily efforts. Now, this idea was actually inspired by a powerful true story from the TV series The Walk-In. It's about a guy named Robbie Mullen. He was in a neo-Nazi group and decided to become a whistleblower. Later, in court, someone asked him a very simple but huge question about his beliefs. And his answer? Just two words that are the heart of this whole thing: less so. That's it right there. The goal is just becoming less so. It's about a daily commitment to improve. So how does this actually work? Well, the model borrows key principles from recovery programs. It's built on 4 pillars: daily effort, accountability, honest reflection, and humility so you don't get stuck. This whole approach helps us get past the usual roadblocks, shame, defensiveness, perfectionism. And to make it really practical, there's a 12-step guide for daily reflection and growth. But hey, this isn't a checklist. It's a guide for anyone who is really committed to doing the work. It starts with just being honest. Then it's about accepting discomfort and learning when you mess up. It's really a cycle of listening, reflecting, and acting, and knowing this work is never really finished. So how can you use this? Well, it all boils down to a simple, personal check-in each day. You just ask yourself this question. It helps you focus on small changes in how you think and act. So the big question for you is, what will you choose to become less so of today?